Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another home. So this is a 4-bedroom 2-bath home. It may be 2.5 though. I didn't actually, honestly, I didn't go through all the way. I'm kind of rushing right now, so I didn't go through all the way and see if it was another half bathroom. But this one right here, they're paying the maximum that they can pay in your closing costs. So say if you was to do FHA, they're offering 6% in closing cost credits. So that is really good. You can use that to pay for all your closing costs. Plus you should have some money left over to buy down your rate. So if you guys like this home, definitely call or text me 407-374-2747. So this is open for sure. You guys have a nice lanai, cover lanai out here. You guys can screen it if you want. I do suggest that you guys do put a screen over here. Your neighbors are still being built. It's a lot of homes still available in this area. This builder actually do not have any homes available right now. All of these homes you guys are going to have built, and it's going to take them about 6 to 7 months to build. Now this is a 2-story home, so I want to take you upstairs so you can see the upstairs. Okay, so a loft up here, and you can see carpet. Okay, this looks like the primary bedroom, formerly the master. So you got a shower in there, double vanity, and here is your walk-in closet. Really pretty. Okay, you got laundry upstairs. I love that. You have your laundry upstairs. Another cute bedroom. And this area, they are actually a USDA area. USDA means no money down, you guys. So they have a no money down loan for USDA. It's usually like if you're staying like in a farmland, but this area is very populated, but it's still considered USDA. So that is something that could be very beneficial to those people that don't want to put any money down. I actually helped a client one time do this, and they did have a down payment. It was $46. So that is something that is really amazing. That's for those people that don't want to put any money down on their home. I like that this closet have like an actual door. Are you guys counting the bedrooms and bathrooms fully? Because it looked like we're at 3 full baths. This is another bedroom. Your closet. Yes, I really do like this home. It's 2-story, like I said. You guys can pick different models to have them built. This is 2-story. They have a lot of 1-story model, well, a lot of 1-stories. I just did the video before this, the one that, if you guys look through the playlist, that's the same builder. That was the 1-story that they do have available. Again, they're paying all of your closing costs. And then here is your furnace. And look how much they're building outside, you guys. Can you see that? A lot. You'll be so early, so early, which is good. That means that when these homes become available finally, you've already been and bought your house, and they're most likely going to be paying more than you're paying for this house. So that is something that you guys definitely can look at, and you can see they're definitely out here building. There's a playground over there, and that's really nice. So you're very early in the process. these homes. Some people already like they're living over there, or those will be available pretty soon. And you guys are not far from the highway also when being in this area, so that's something to think about. So again, call or text me 407-374-2747. I can show you this home and then other homes that's available. I do mini open houses where I provide lunch for you guys, and we go and walk through all of these different homes that's available. And a lot of the times, a lot of the builders that I partner with, they're actually offering probably $20,000. So definitely check out my events list to see when the next time I am doing open house, so you guys can see what's actually available. And I can also tell you guys how you can get an extra $1,000 to go towards your down payment. So definitely call me 407-374-2747. Let's fully check this one out. Okay, so it's like this 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. That's exactly what this one is. And then here's your loft up here. Then let's go back downstairs just in case I rush through that. Our front door. Nice area to have your office, your living room, your dining room, your kitchen. Actually, it is just two full baths. And then here is your garage here. So yes, call or text me 407-374-2747 if you're interested and looking at this home. And also if you're looking into just moving into the Orlando area and the surrounding areas, call me. I can help you with that process also. And let me know what you guys think of this home. Like, what would you rate this home? Like 1 through 10, what would your rating be on this home? Like, what would you guys rate it? And I love that they don't have any carpet over in this area. That is really nice. So what would you guys rate it 1 through 10? See you guys later.